What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 88 of the Chaos Daily. Let's get into it. So this morning, the LCD screen, the replacement LCD screen for the printer arrived. So I've already installed that. I've done a whole bunch of recording and everything. I'm going to put together a video about the installation process on the new channel. So that'll be the first video. I was going to do the IPA recycling, but I still got to work out a few kinks in that process to get it to where I want it to be. So we'll get there. So yeah, first video on the new channel will be about installing an LCD in the Phenom. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to put some extra effort into it. Try out all the new things that I've learned on this channel with these dailies. Every episode, I try a little bit of something new to get better at editing, get better at doing the format, all that sort of stuff. New LCD's in, it's working, so we're going to get back to printing on the Albatross straight away. I'm going to go now and do a bunch of recording for the other channel before I get that started, because it's a bit loud and I can't record when it's loud. So yeah, we'll leave it there for today's episode, letting you guys know printer is up and running, and there's a video coming to the new channel soon. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe if you're not. As always, I've been Chaos, and until next time, expect the unexpected, and I'll see you guys later.
And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.